Hello, I'm Tails. I'm Cherry's Monroe, and yes, the baby's actually making noise now. Yep. As an update. Yep. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Right there. Yep. The mama bird. Yep. Or father. I think it's mostly the mama bird. Yeah. Maybe. Has food right there too. Yeah. Well, where is it going? Let's see. Look over there. Yep. That must be the parent. Yeah, it's on the other side. Oh man. Yeah. You can see both. Yep. Oh. There it go. Oh, where is it going now? Let's see. I think it went over there now. Did it make it to its parent? Maybe. That's why it's on the other side. Oh, yep. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Really? Yeah. Let's go over there, see if there's anything. You gotta be careful with branches. I know, there is a lot. It moved. Yeah, it already moved. I don't know if we can get to the other side, but we cannot record the other way. Well, why don't you move the phone between? Can we try? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Well, anyways, I think it is back to its parent. Yay! Yay! It's already moved and make no noise. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at the other stuff what we have. Yeah. All around our yard. Yep. Yep. We can even take a look at the whole thing. And there's a new house built. Yep. Is my mom gonna come? she said she would stay inside because it would be hard to hold. Okay. And it's actually been a while since we were outside. That's true. Yeah. Wow. Well. Got a lot of places to explore. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Maybe it's a berry. Yeah. Or fruit that's growing here. Flowers. Yep. Whoa, that one's pretty big. Yeah. Mm. Do we went too far? Maybe. I see something. What? I don't know, there could be reflection, but... Ooh, yeah. Sure is a bit big. Yeah. It's a dead bug. Because of spiders. Yeah. Okay, well, I think we should go back. Yeah. Alright. Very interesting area to explore. Yep, tails. And the baby bird is gone. Just double checking. Yep, it's all gone. No more. Yep. Wow, there's so much stuff here. Yep, sure is a lot. Okay, well, that's it. Yeah, we're done. Okay. No more. Yep, we done. Yep. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye, and see you next video available. Bye. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye bye. Yay, yay, okay. That's it. Yeah. Dirty again. Yeah. Okay, no more. Yes, It's because we're outside, there's a lot of dust. That's true. Okay, no. Alright, bye. See you next video. Bye. 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 Oh, okay. Alright. Bye. Bye. Bye.